Guess what I got? We got a 2023 Cadillac Ct5-V Blackwing. Yes, the Blackwing, man. First of all, this comes with a 6.2 liter supercharged V8. Can I pop the hood? All right, bet. All right, yeah. Jeez, look at this shit, man. This is a beaut. Monica. All right. This car is pushing 668 horses and 659 foot-pounds of torque. That gets this car to 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds with a top speed of over 200 miles an hour. This is the one automatic. Let's come back here. Auto power is going straight to the back of these wheels, paired with a 10-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual. All right, you gonna walk with me? I'm just gonna keep walking around. Stopping takes no time with the, All right, carbon ceramic braking system. I'm gonna forget all that. Stopping takes no time with carbon ceramic. All right, you ready? Stopping takes no time with Cadillac's first carbon ceramic braking system. As y'all can see, this car comes with 6 piston Brembo brakes in the front. You come back here to the back, we got 4 piston Brembos in the rear. All right, all around they come with 19-inch lightweight aluminum wheels, cause weight reduction. Anyway, let's come to the inside, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see, you get this beautiful key that matches the color. We're gonna show them the color. When y'all buy a V, man, you get the matching, dang it, when y'all buy a V, the key matches the color of your Brembo brakes. I think that's fire. Come on, let's go to the inside though. Sheesh, okay. All right, man, as you can see, we get inside, we got some beautiful carbon fiber pieces in here. So we got a carbon fiber and leather wheel with paddle shifters. Oh, this shit looks sexy. We got torch red seat belts. We got a 12-inch display, heads-up display, and a built-in performance data recorder. And these seats come heated and ventilated. Ventilated. These bucket seats are so sporty, I can't even get out that bit. Anyway, all right, so we're gonna start this thing up. I need one of these. Sheesh. Y'all, this exhaust comes stock from the factory. This is a 2023, it hasn't been touched. So I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. I ain't even on YouTube. I need y'all to like, comment, share, and Cadillac, hit me up. But no, wait, I gotta give the, this is Jim Ellis. What do you want for this? 103,000? Y'all in the market for a Ct5 Blackwing. Hold up, come back. If y'all want this Ct5 Blackwing, it's going right now for 103,000 at Jim Ellis Cadillac in Atlanta. So come get you one. Tell them I sent you. For real. I can rev it? Bet, say less. Say less.
Actually has a rev limit.
Okay. So what? You can stand right here. Oh, the AC blowing in bit hot. Oh, I don't know how to do things. Oh, that's fire, man. This is crazy. I don't even know how you turn this shit on. I ain't never. Oh, here we go. Oh, music. Oh. Ah, here we go. Actually, I want to get the, let me see this. I want to get the, that shit is crazy.
Oh, wait, hold on. It's on like baby mode. There you go.
Oh, shit. That's crazy. I need one of these, man.